Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the AC compressor on Opel Combo. The AC compressor in this car is located on the front top of the engine. It's held by 3 bolts. One of them is there, one there, and one here in the rear. We also need to remove the serpentine belt in order to remove the AC compressor. Before starting to remove the AC compressor, first we need to remove this metal plate, which is held by a couple of bolts. First we need to remove those bolts for the front bumper, and then we need to remove another 3 bolts on each side that hold this metal plate. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Now that all the bolts are removed, we're going to lift this thing up and put it to the side. Next we're going to remove the bolt holding the AC lines to the AC compressor. That's the AC lines removed. Now I'm going to start removing the bolts holding the AC compressor to the engine. I'm going to start with the one at the bottom. Then I'm going to remove the one on the rear, and the last I'm going to remove the one on top, but before that I'm going to remove the serpentine belt. Before I remove the last bolt for the AC compressor, I'm going to remove the serpentine belt, but to do that, first I'm going to remove this air filter housing so that I can get access to the serpentine belt. That's the air filter housing put to the side. Now I have access to the serpentine belt. This is the serpentine belt right there, and that's the tensioner right there that we need to turn clockwise so that we can loosen the belt. I'll show you a closer view of where I put my wrench. My wrench is put on that bolt, on that pulley, and we need to turn it clockwise, and you can see the belt is getting loose. Now we can remove the belt. That's the serpentine belt removed. Now we can remove the last bolt of the AC compressor. There is also that electrical connector that we need to disconnect. I've already disconnected it. Here I'm removing the last bolt, and now I can take out the AC compressor. Putting the new AC compressor back on is in the exact reverse order. Make sure you replace the O-rings on the 2 AC lines and then put them on. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.